Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dr. Tim Hartman here at Limitless Chiropractic, and we've got a special guest here. This is Lee, and if you guys are in the Ballantyne, Charlotte area, we would love to serve you and get you under chiropractic care. But Lee, can you talk about where you were before you came into the office?
Sure. I was still able to work out 4 or 5 times a day, able to do some triathlon races, sports year-round. I just didn't feel 100%. I felt that there was something off with my back. Maybe a little bit of work would be able to take me to that next level.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is the start of his 3rd week, so he's basically come in 5 times. But Lee, what have you noticed? I mean, you told me in the gym. What have you noticed since being under care here in the office?
After the first visit, I waited a couple days and was able to do more overhead presses. I was kind of stalling out about that 145 area, and then 2 days afterwards, I was able to rep that out easy. I felt more safe, more secure in my back. I used to feel a lot of movement. Now I just feel structurally strong.
Awesome. Wow. I mean, that's coming from him. That's not coming from us. So I guess, Lee, what do you notice, or what are you hoping for the future as we progress under care and you continue to do your workouts?
Pain-free is obviously the big one. No more spasms. Just feel mentally when I go into workouts, when I go into a race, when I go into play sports, that's on the back of my head is my back. What happens if I injure my back? What happens if I rotate a certain way? I just want to have that completely erased mentally, physically, 100% on the sports I'm doing.
Awesome. Well, if you're like Lee and you want to get stronger, you want to get faster, and really want to have that security that you're doing everything you can for your health, this could be the place for you. Again, if you're in the Ballantyne, Charlotte area, we'd love to serve you here at Limitless Chiropractic. Have a great day.